Namaskaram. It is a pleasure at Indegene to be associated with the GCC event that we are hosting in collaboration with T-Hub and Multiplier AI in Hyderabad today. Indegene is working with the ecosystem at Telangana and India at large to expand the capabilities, to expand the involvement of global pharma in the Indian ecosystem, in the local system at Hyderabad and Telangana here today. And this is our way of supporting, build this ecosystem and, contribute to the overall development. Today at Indegene, we work with all the top 20 global pharma. And as you would know, this is an industry which is critical to the overall well-being and health of the population. And the innovative products that our customers bring to the market is also crucial to be available in the market here in India and Telangana. And we believe that an engagement with our customers and encouraging them to set up shop in Hyderabad, in India, goes a long way in eventually helping the well-being and health of Indian population at large. We are proud to be associated as Indegene, as I said earlier, and we continue to strive to provide more opportunities and be involved in such initiatives in future also. Thank you. We are also proud to announce that Indegene has started operations in Hyderabad. We have in November created our own operating center in Mindspace High Tech City in Hyderabad, and we have already 300 Indigeons on board in Telangana. And we are excited about the opportunity that this region provides in helping us grow. And, we are really excited and proud to be part of this ecosystem today. Thank you.